You're looking to buy a house in this crazy market here in Arizona. What's up, everybody? This is ap.mckinney giving you the lowdown on a listing here in Tucson that is perfect for the first-time home buyers.
Show me more.
Located right in central Tucson, 263 West Alturas St. Yes, this is a home in a neighborhood that you can afford.
Show me more.
And guess what? This home also offers unique type of financing for everybody. So if you can't get the cash to buy this home, you can definitely get approved for a conventional and an FHA mortgage that will allow you to buy this home.
So what do I really get for $220,000?
So let me tell you a little bit about this home. No, it's not so small, it's not big either. It's just right for the first-time home buyer. 1,014 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It has a gated yard.
Oh my God, is that French doors on the gate? Oh, this is getting really fancy now.
And you can lock it too. And it's located near everything. Tucson Mall, I-10, the cemetery.
I didn't think I could afford this.
What kind of dog do you have? Who cares? Because your fence goes from the ground to a few feet just below your head. And everything is private.
Oh my God, the dog!